This is my little brother's setup and what he used to play on, and we probably like get rid of this. I'm not gonna lie, he needs a better setup, bro. So we're gonna go from this old TV stand and this ruggedy chair into like a better setup. So let's actually do it, bro. And it actually gives you. Yo, what up, y'all? Today we're gonna make my brother's PC. So let's get to it. Right now the GPU came in, the last final part for this PC. So we're gonna go build it. Hurry up. Motherboard in. It's unfortunate pink, to be honest. And we still have the air cooler. Alright, so we already put in the power box, power supply in. So we're just gonna install this. Yep, we put the motherboard in right now. Next step we're gonna do is install the CPU. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do next. Alright. So right here we got my brother's AM5. We're gonna put this in and install this. Do you know what the CPU even look like?
It's like a little chip.
Yeah,
looking there.
Put that in. Next, we're gonna install these RAM sticks. I like to do them like one by one, like separate. That's one right there. Alright, yep, we got the RAMs in. Next up we're gonna apply is the graphics card. So let's see that. Where's that graphics card? Right here. He got it AMD Ryzen, AMD like 9060.
Is that good?
I have no idea, to be honest. I'm gonna have to see. Let's take this bad boy out. Your RAM. I think this is gonna be your graphics card. I think it might be better than mine, to be honest. How much you spent on it?
Almost 300 or 400.
Now, your RAM is gonna be over here. So we're gonna need to take out the drivers. Let's see where we put your RAM. This slot looks nice right here, so let's do that. Yes, sir. We got that shit installed. Now we're just gonna screw this in. There we go. Alright, yep. We already finished the GPU right here. We installed it. Now we're gonna do the cooler, the AI. It doesn't have an AIO. I have a cooler, but I don't like air fans, to be honest. But this is good. Let's see here. And then I do like lamps. Put this in. Wait. I think this is upside down. I have to do this. Sorry. That was the next step anyway. And after we put that in, we gotta put it in a fan. Let's take this off.
It's in a box.
2 terabyte. I have it. What you got this?
Oh, it's like 300.
Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Alright, yep. We got my brother's shit right here. We're about to install Windows. We got the USB in. It looks kind of homeless, this PC, but after it's all set up, I'm gonna put everything back together. Alright, yep. Right now we're installing Windows. I'm gonna Windows that until that gets 100%. Alright, yes sir. We're gonna set this up. Skip. Yes, gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. What do you plan on like putting on your PC?
Me? Like when I'm gonna play?
Yeah.
First of all, I'm gonna have Roblox, Fortnite. I want like all the story games. I want to get those in 2K as well because I think I can play 2K without over you.
No, you had to buy 2K again though.
Wait, sure?
Yeah, it's different for PC.
Oh yeah.
You could just connect to the PS5.
But like the PS5 overheats a lot.
The PS5 have more games, and or you could just fix the PS5, or just clean it. What you gonna name your PC?
Wait, what you name yours?
I look, forgot, but mine was tough.
Name it Logic QC or QC.
QC.
Yeah.
Alright. Quality content. Alright, we just set it up for him. He signed into his account. Yes, sir. Let's get it. And there you go, my boy. Come on. And there you go, you got in Windows now. First
Like
we
the
got.
full demo? Is the demo or like the full?
I have no idea. I don't see the watermark right here, so I guess you got it. Sign in.
Yeah, I can.
Alright, yep. We just did your PC, man. It's your PC right there. What do you think about it, bro?
It's tough.
You like it?
Yeah.
Sir.
Yes, sir. She be tryna smoke and every time I be big burn. Hardcore was heartburn. She tryna see what terms he on. I start talking out of turn. You can't give me brain, but I can't even learn. Did it while I'm driving, I can't even turn. Lawyer so good, I found my law firm. Every time he beat the case, well done.